You know how they have like the mascots running around? This is going to be one of ours. Just walking around the park behind people, sometimes pulling their pants down.
It's the Merciless Sun God. What do you think it is?
I propose another mascot.
The gecko. The gecko.
Why is one of our mascots giant? Oh my gosh, he is a statue.
Not the color palette. Timmy, man up and go take a picture with the color palette. We paid a lot of money to come to this park. I am not leaving without you taking a picture with the color palette and the Merciless.
For all I
God.
know, it is the last photo I'll have with you.
Oh
Yes,
my god.
exactly. I'm after a ride that makes you question your spatial perception of the universe. It's gonna be called the Yawning Abyss. You will come out and you will be ascended. You won't even need to communicate with language. You will be able to communicate telepathically. The merciless sun god who stares down upon the park goers with his ambivalent and yet analyzing gaze. Just as humans act around apes, so does the sun god act around mortals. His expressionless features convey a great understanding and wisdom that our mortal minds cannot even hope to understand. It is said that if you gaze into the yawning abyss for long enough, you may just return with an inkling of his vast knowledge. Is Sans World actually an amusement park or some sort of weird ley line connection to an alternative universe?
Some people with their parks are aiming for those long-time customers. We fall into this weird area where we like
Toss them in, toss them out.
Toss them in, toss them in.
I think we expect eternal customers, if you know what I'm trying to say.
The merciless sun god greets them.
Come to Sans World, you'll never leave.
Why is there a Minecraft Steve in the upper left? What's the purpose of that?
Alright, that's it. 10 years in the yawning abyss.